20 minus 4 times 3 minus 8. 20 minus 4 will give us 16. 16 times 3 minus 8. 16 times 3 will give us 48. Then 48 minus 8 is 40. This answer is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, multiplication comes first before subtraction. So we solve our multiplication first. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, 4 times 3 will give us 12. Then we have 20 minus 12 minus 8. Then we solve from our left to our right. 20 minus 12 will give us 8. Then we have 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.